Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a couple things to show you here, and I'm super excited to show these to you because they're really neat. They're beautiful. I was asked to show some things by a company called Karativa. I believe that's how you say it, Karativa. And I could pick out a couple things, and they're really cool. I can hardly wait. Something unique and different, and this will be fun. All right, so let's start with this item here. I'll show you this one first. Look, it comes in this nice box. All pretty, flowers and everything, nicely protected. All right, it's in a foam, nest here. Let's get it out. Come on. All right, let me just, here, take off the ring. There we go. That's what we need to do. Okay, nicely nestled, all in foam, nicely protected. Look at roses, silk flowers. We got some sort of a gem type thing in there, some dried flowers. Very pretty. It's like soft feeling, like it's not hard well, it is hard plastic, but it's like brushed, so it's kind of velvety feeling. So we have this little drawer here. Look at the little detail on the drawer. The little knob is a heart, and we open it up, and what happens? All right, so it plays Merry Christmas. You can take the whole thing out. Oh, the music's in the drawer. All right, so you can tell that there's a place to put rings here. This is a very nice velvet. Let's see, does this open? Yep, this little pouch opens if you want to put a necklace or something in there. Put stuff on top. It's a little jewelry box. Isn't that cool? All right, and the music, you could choose your music. There were like 5 or 6 different little songs that it would play for you. Just a little mini jewelry box. It's pretty cool. This sold on their site for $49. Now, there were some jewelry boxes that came with jewelry in them as well. And of course, those, were a little bit higher price because you got the jewelry. But isn't that nice? Nice little velvet box to put it in. Cool. I like it. It came in pink, and there was a black version, and I believe the black had like red flowers and stuff in the middle. Pretty neat, right? Pretty cool. So there's that item. The next thing, I've already looked at this. This is so pretty. So pretty. I can hardly wait for you guys to see it. All right. Again, the packaging is amazing. Everything comes packaged just beautifully. I have 2 boxes. Look at the nice boxes, right? Padded on the top. Those are cool. You notice how everything has their name on it. Nice little velvet bag if you wanted to store your item in the little velvet pouch. And then there's all kinds of information in here. There's a bag, all right? So I don't know if you wanted to gift this to somebody. I can't get it out. There we go. If you wanted to gift it to somebody, you wanted to put one of the little boxes in a little gift bag, you could do that. All right. We have a thank you note, how to take care of your jewelry. Okay. There's all your information. They're on Facebook, Karativa. They're on Instagram. I'll have to follow them on Instagram. Little thank you note on the back. Customer satisfaction, charm, love, unique for your loved ones and yourself. This is a little greeting card. I think that's all it is, just a little card. Has their name on it. This is a cleaning cloth, all right, to clean your jewelry. Nice little cloth you can clean everything with. Keep it nice and shiny and sparkly and pretty. Nice. So very nice package of goodies this comes with. Nice. Love it. All right. All right. What are in the boxes? I know you want to know what's in the boxes. Let's see. What's this one? I want that one last. Now, these came as a set, and I'll tell you about that later. But here's the first item. Look, it comes in a nice box. Again, the velvet. Place to put the ring. This is a ring. Okay, let me tell you about this ring. This ring is sterling silver. Okay, the base is sterling silver. It is not returnable without the tag. Okay, don't take off the tag. All right, I got a size 7 US. I think that fits this finger right here. Let's see. So it is silver, sterling silver with rose gold plating. Let's show you. See how pretty that is? Look at the band. It has inlaid stones on the band, and then there's a heart in the middle with the stones around the center. The stone is morganite. All right, so it's a sterling silver ring with rose gold plating with a morganite stone in the center. All right, it's beautiful, you guys. It's gorgeous. Look at it. Isn't it pretty? Look how sparkly it is. Very, very nice. Now, this ring on their site sold for $89. All right, it's some nice jewelry. They had a set. The ring, earrings, and necklace were $129. I did not get the whole set. I had a hard time finding. I have the necklace as well. I'll show you the necklace. I don't know how much the necklace would sell for separately, but the entire set, if you got all three, would be $129, or the ring itself was $89. Look how pretty. It is just gorgeous. Look at that sparkle and stuff. Isn't it beautiful? I just love it. It's gorgeous. All right, so there's the ring. Remember, we got the jewelry box. And I could put my ring in my jewelry box, right? And then I have the necklace, okay? Yep, I have the necklace. Again, nice little box. And I like how they come in a little bag, so they're nicely protected in their little bag. All right, and here is the necklace. I'm not certain the length of the chain. Oh, look, it's got, oh, wow. It's got, hang on. Let's get you untangled from your tag here. It's got, you can adjust this a bit, okay? So what happens here is you have this longer chain that you could hook into to make it longer. You see what I'm saying? You can hook into this link or this link or this link, depending on the length you want it. So you could make it really, 2 inches longer if you chose to, just by where you fasten it. They've got it fastened on the shortest. But look at very nice detailing on their clasp and everything. It's super nice. I really like it. Again, this would be like the sterling silver with rose gold. This is a box chain. Looks to be a box. Pretty cool. And then, of course, the same medallion gem at the bottom. Super nice. Right? See the detail? I love it. I just love it. It's beautiful. All right. So we have the ring and we have the necklace, all in sterling silver, plated with rose gold. Morganite is the stone. It's super pretty. Super pretty. I'm going to wear these. Yes, I am. Super pretty. Okay. And I do love how you can adjust the length with this chain here at the bottom with the links. Look at, they have a little detail on the end too, just a little medallion thing at the bottom. Pretty cool. I love it. So thank you so much, Karativa, for sending these over so I can show everybody. You guys, they had so much stuff on their site. They had different types of rings, different colored stones, necklaces, earrings. They had things that you could personalize with names, like if you wanted to do a family, put your children's names, or just all kinds of stuff on their site. I will be sure to link them below, and you can check out all of the jewelry that they have. They have super nice things, okay? Love it. So pretty. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, it's something a little different for my channel, and I appreciate that people are, asking me to show some things that they think my viewers would like. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. So pretty. So pretty. I can hardly wait to wear this. It's gorgeous. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And look below for the links and just go check them out. Just browse around and see if, there's anything there that you would like for yourself, for a loved one, a gift, Nice stuff. And then, I can always store it in my jewelry box. I might not want to listen to Merry Christmas or whatever all year long, but it was Christmas time, so that's the one that I chose. Anyhow, very pretty. Thank you so much. All right, until next time, everybody, I hope you have a great day, and go check out Karativa. All right, talk to you later.